Hi guys, I'm Lauryn Tyrell and I am going to share with you my favorite recipe for a classic margarita on the rocks. It's really less of a recipe and more about the ratios. I like them not too sweet, that's the most important thing to me. So I do 2 parts tequila, silver tequila. And you can do this in a shaker or just in a container like this and stir it up. 1 part Cointreau or triple sec or Grand Marnier. This is your only sweetness there's no added sugar. You're getting all of your sugar from the liqueur. And 1 part fresh squeezed lime juice. You could also do lemon juice and rum, and that would be a daiquiri or a cosmopolitan you could do with vodka. It's the same ratios. Stir this up. I like salt on the rim, but I just do salt on one side of the rim so I'm not getting like a ton of salt. A little bit of ice. And that's it. That was very fast. And there you have it. Enjoy.